Well, you can find us at the Star. Or the Beat Bite.
I found you. I hunted you down like dogs.
Shot now. Oh, wait, why didn't you grab the other officer slot?
I thought you two had already taken it.
I'll be fighting over officer slots. Damn.
Actually, we're
I'll
fighting
take my
over giving
private.
them away.
Oh, well, I don't want it. I'm strange. I like pistol over, or I like rifle over pistol anyway.
Take a shot at the Confederates out there northwest.
Thank you. That helped me decide which side we were playing on.
They're on the beep. They're on the flagpole. Fire the flagpole.
Yep, flags are out there. 3 flags in sight. 1 flag is going northwest on our right.
I'm down.
Don't let them get that flag up.
The close pitches by the gate. Should be shots crouched.
Who is grabbing an officer slot?
There's still got guys on the flagpole.
I'm using barracks. Rifles on our left, rifles on our right. Let's just keep shooting straight.
They have more up. They were trying to go in. There's still more on the flag.
Shoot at me, 4 of them at me.
Damn it. Well, they held them off of me for a while there. Yeah, there's a bunch of them that just kind of rushed it up there.
Well, with the covering fire, we might be able to get 3 guys out there.
I nominate myself for tribute.
Nope, never mind. Looks like one of the other units is pushing out.
I'm going anyway.
Right face.
Right, folks. Down the snake road.
Get a little closer here for me. I think right here. Right here, the tree side.
Oh, they're on the seaplane. We gotta hit the seaplane.
Yeah, yes we do. Alright, hold fire. Let's about face go to sea. Go check it out. About face, sprint to sea.
On my way.
Shots left in the corner. West, northwest directly.
Where'd all the stars go?
They all
They're getting
died.
eliminated in the corner.
There's a star ahead, friendly star. Let's get up on him.
Well, join with the 10th.
Yep.
Friendlies are already here on point.
Hey, 65th, we got a flag.
There's a flag. All right.
Yeah, we got a flag. Everybody get up and over.
We staying here, or do you want us to pull
finish it
back?
up, man.
No, they got it. Let's go all the way to the road, northwest here.
Oh, he already did it? Oh, okay. I thought you were the flag bearer stuff.
Head northwest.
Alright.
Towards the train line.
Yep, that's a railroad track.
I see 2 of them.
I'm right behind you, Blunt.
They're on our left oblique, just 2 of them.
We've got 5 of us here.
Well, either we hook around to B and get some good shots, or we go check out A. What do you think, Paradox?
We use been neutral.
We have a friendly unit that went into the woods just behind us. So we can... Oh, there's a scout down southwest. Well, there is a rebel formation to our west-southwest with the flag. They're going to be trying to flank the sea point. I say we cut them off.
Go back.
Well, no, I mean cut them off right here.
Roger.
I saw Confederates moving to the northwest side of the railroad cut. On the northwest side of the tracks.
Actually, they're going to go through the woods, so let's go for the A point.
I do like that.
Force them to pull back. Wait for it. Where are they?
He's good so far.
We moving up?
Yeah, we got a scout off to our west. So I saw him briefly. Oh, I see them. They are far northwest. They're hugging the border. Go for it.
Going for A point?
Go for the A point.
We're going for A
Roger.
point best.
Let's go. Sprint it. Leapfrog. I don't see anything. I see them. There they are. There's 2 of them going up the hill.
Yep, on the right side. Rocks.
I'm down.
There's more.
Behind.
There's more west. West-northwest. They're on the back side of the hill.
West over by the rocks.
Got a scout to
He
our
wants
south.
to engage.
Yes. Shoot those fellas on the rocks.
Good eye.
Very west.
We're taking too long here.
We might need to pull back.
10th is moving to
Let's
B.
go through the bush. We'll get your bayos on, then we'll go through the bush.
Take us wherever you're taking us.
Yeah, let's go.
I don't have
Time to
blood.
die, boys.
Fine. No, god damn it.
Rebels pulled off B. 10th locked him down.
I don't think.
No.
That's fine.
Oh, another one of our unit. That other skirmish group hit them.
Too bad they didn't come in sooner.
If anything, it gets their people are gonna rush back to fucking April.
If you spawn.
Oh, that's what I was saying.
Actively being engaged.
Yeah, so while it may not have been advised for our group to hit, everyone else had pushed pressure that they would come to their team and say, hey, we're getting hit.
I got
Break loads and pull back. As soon as we get to the snake rail fence, up and over, and then head back down to the railroad. Should be to our north-northwest. Can anyone see the flag on C point?
On C. No.
Okay,
I'm C. I'm on C, don't worry.
Sweet.
sweet.
65th Pancake and 4 other dudes are with me right now.
Let's see what we can see.
Small skirmish group came to C. Don't worry, they're running off now.
Any chance we can maybe cut them off? Get a bunch of out of line tickets on them?
Oh, we're picking them off.
I see blue at 8 point. Can't tell if it's a
That could
lone
be
guy.
CSA though.
Friendly's
No.
at C. Hey, get up there. Yeah, friendly's
There's
at A.
two.
There's 3.
Let's get up there and reinforce them then.
But they are moving away from
They're
A.
pulling off
These
the 8
scouts,
point.
Yeah, they're pulling out.
There's at least 5 or 6 rebels off to the west side of the 8 point.
Yeah, I see their heads behind the rocks on the other side of the tracks. Rebels.
History, man. Hang on. History, come back. History, come back.
There's your A. Get back here. Stick together.
South-southwest is pretty clear.
Confederate southeast.
Oh,
Southeast
yep.
directly.
Left flank,
Oh,
left
yeah, I
flank.
see.
They're going through the corn to Charlie.
We can hit him in the back.
Go for
Move
it.
up there. Yep. Stay together. Don't
They
get
just
up
went
close.
back into the woods.
No, they just went back in the woods. They're headed towards B. They're gonna flank
Get up here
friendlies
on
at B.
Tiberius. Let's go. Backs were to us so far. Let's go. Keep it quiet. Friendly's on our left.
Yep, they're right there. They just killed friendlies. Southeast, south.
Tiberius,
No,
let's
no,
get
no.
up here. Everybody get up here by me. They hear us already. Open fire. Charge. There's not that many. Kill them.
Yeah, take them out.
Try to join them. If all their flags are over here at the B point, then we may have a shot.
My 65th guys over here are getting a little
I'll catch up
bored.
to y'all. I'm getting kit.
They got like ants in their pants or something.
I get that, but we're winning right now,
Oh yeah.
and we never win on this map.
Let's just keep it go. Let's just keep it going now. Let's not worry too much yet. Not over until the fat lady sings.
You're obsessed with the fat lady.
I love the big girl.
I love this bayonet bush. Fucking love it.
Hell yeah.
Hey, somebody got it. Good shit.
And they're
See,
fighting over there right now.
I guarantee
Right down
you
the-
that's going to split them up.
Let's get on the right side of the railroad tracks. Get up in the hills above it.
Rebels came in southwest.
Yeah, I've got a rebel scouts on me. Hey, if you guys come back towards B, I've got at least 1 or 2 rebel scouts here. They can't do anything. We're in the corn.
We're already away.
Yeah, no, head to the 8 point.
Just ignore them.
Yeah, unfortunately we're not sure where you are exactly, so it'd take us a little while to find you.
Yeah, both those rebel scouts that were in the corn, they both just ran off because I fucking goddamn got their asses to show up.
Oh, there's a
is that you guys
flag
in
on
the
the
trees?
point. We're on the west side. Rebels in front of us as well. I am down.
I just had 8th Connecticut manage to run into those scouts, and they killed one of them. Are y'all up at A?
Yeah, two of us are left.
We're
So y'all got cleared out?
Yeah, we got the intention of chasing us up down, right?
When y'all ran through the corn, I think those scouts may have seen y'all when y'all were heading towards A. Good line of a big line of Confederate Southwest on the fence line. I'm currently with NYV right now. Oh, hi, Baron's here. I know. Fair warning, I just want to let you guys know there were scouts in the corn and all. They ran off into the woods, so they're gone now, but you might want to keep an eye on your right. Friendly's getting charged out. We got charge in the south, to the west, and charging out friendlies over there.
we need a hit down in the northwest. See if we can't
There's a
support the
flag out there in the
65th.
woods.
Enemies coming up the sea from the railroad side.
65th is charging the depot.
I have our company's front. Who do I stick
You
with?
might want to shift somebody down to the railroad.
10th has got the flag.
Okay.
Wait, how many rebels are going to the sea point?
I see 6 of them trickling in or behind.
It's fucking chaos in the corner right now. CSA's all over the place. I'm down.
That's where you're at. Being aggressive.
Yeah, they're charging. It's an absolute melee in the corn. There at the where all the fences line up.
Get this guy, don't let him grab the flag.
From behind or from
You still need help at sea?
Need help? Head to sea.
I'm down. I spawn right there, so I should be alright.
break off to sea, follow the stars. Follow me in Paradox to sea.
Yep. I only have Bayo right now, though.
Same
If you guys die, just spawn main.
I think I got one shot left.
Dawson's here.
I'm down.
I caught the first bullet. That was one for you.
Yep, there it is.
And we got no flag at sea yet.
Nope, I'm down. Took him long enough.
Well, I'm stuck at spawn trying to load up my 36 bayonets. Never can have too many bayonets.
Get away.
65th is also rushing for the seaplane.
Yeah, because I told them that they were sitting at spawn because they all died.
Nice.
Hell yeah, red.
Ah, and we also decapped the 8-foot. Get on the other side of the snake rail. Get on the other side of the snake rail. Get up and over.
Come on, Red Baron.
Alright. I'm sorry, I was talking to my wife on the phone. Are we heading back to B?
Say again.
Or where are we staying?
We're at C.
Alright.
Let's see, you got it.
Hey, extras,
65,
extras.
get back up to the hill.
10. If you're not here, go to B, go to B. 11th will finish the cap. Holy crap.
They're angry.
Yeah, well, 11th will finish. 11th will finish the cap. Go for it.
Alright. 11th, head back up to the hill over here.
We should try.
We're heading up,
defend
with,
the
up to
C
the
point.
hill with Gomer, or where are we going?
Yeah. Let's defend the C point. The rest of the team is not doing so well at it.
Yeah. I'll get up here in the bushes with. It don't matter. Nice place you got here, Gomer.
65th. Oh, this is my, like, little... This is my perch right here. I just like perching here. Yeah.
Rebels in the corner. Paradox. Is that them northwest too? Just hanging out there like idiots?
Yeah, that's,
Or no, that's a Union and a
No, that's a
Confederate. That's both. I see a Union and a
Oh.
Confederate.
Okay, yeah, I see it
yeah.
too.
Should we send two to go give him a chance to kill him?
Well, I was going to say we could just shoot him, but looks like they're running off.
Oh, shot over at C point
Oh, they're on the C point again. Forward end them.
already.
Oh, that smoke right there is.
Left side, here they go. If anybody spawns flag, tell them they're hitting C.
Focus on just the guys that are decapping. Night.
Yeah.
Nice shot.
Nine, get
They have
back.
to come up and
Keep hitting them.
Two more coming, two more.
There they come. Just keep hitting them in this flag. Somebody's lowering it right now. I wish I could load faster.
Get down.
3 left.
That's alright, cleared the way, cleared the way.
It's down. Yep, that's the guy. Charge him. I'll watch the left, see if anybody jumps out.
Still one left.
Ah, I got it this time, River. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Corn looks
Shoot
clear.
him, shoot him!
There's only 2 of you.
Don't do that to me! No, I'm leaving.
No, I'm leaving.
I
I'm
helped
too
you
late
with
for that now.
Recap it.
Go, go, go,
Alright, spread it out, spread it out, spread it out.
8th is in the corner in front of us now, so they'll give us a little buffer there.
Thank you, Ace. I love you.
Mwah.
I feel so vulnerable right here. Oh my god. And I still need a reload too. This is our C point. There's no other one
cleared
like
off the
this.
skirmishing group that attacked. We got it.
It's secured. I'm going back up to my...
Alright, back to our original position.
Paradox, that was nice, bro.
They were not ready for us to be sitting up here in those bushes.
Oh, good.
They
kills,
were
guys.
probably expecting only 3 guys or something.
We're
And
keeping it neck
probably
and neck
with-
at least.
Less
They
actors.
never expect a Spanish...
They never expect the Spanish Inquisition.
Yeah, it started a lot, but I couldn't finish it. Thank you. I'm done. Who the hell is still down there?
I think that's the 8th guy.
8th guy! Come here!
Where are we shooting at?
Don't shoot
Nothing.
at
I
him.
was shooting at the 8th guy. I was just shooting near him.
Trying to get him to come up here.
Yeah! Cat, don't kill him!
Whoa.
Alright, since he shot at us, now I have to kill him.
No.
Hurry up, get down there with that star so I can kill him when it's only 3 tickets. I'm getting mixed up now. Who's who down there?
It's a shell game now.
The guy with the red bedroll.
Get your butt up here! I see the star. I'm good on that.
Is he going to come up here or is he going to stay on the point?
Yeah, he's running up here now.
Fucking Gomer over here trying to start a friendly fire incident.
Well, it was friendly fire. No one got hit.
Hey, Mucho Big Ass. That's a funny name, by the way. I wasn't trying to kill you, dude. I was just trying to get you up here. I love how you shot back at me, though. Because I was going to kill you, but they ran down there to protect you.
You nearly shot at me.
Oh, we got guys coming over the fence.
Oh, they're right
Wait
down
for
there.
it.
Light them up.
Center shots. Hit that middle. 2 guys. Third down.
Ah,
Very
nice.
good.
You get the
Keep it
guy
up,
dropping
keep
the
it up.
flag. There's only 4 left.
Nobody on the pole.
And they're
Nobody
running.
on the pole. Yeah, they better be running.
We just wiped out half
And
their
the
unit.
11th and the 4th.
Hell yeah.
And
Where?
he's gone.
Show me your damn screen.
Seriously though, like,
It is at 100%.
what are we doing?
No, it's not.
What are we doing?
Oh, just sending 3 of them to recap it, because they did start to decap it.
Oh.
Just to buy us more time.
Whoa, oh, that's friendlies coming down the hill.
You sneaky son of a bitch. Cat
Oh,
came
there goes
in all
Mucho.
nimbly bimbly.
We lost B.
So that skirmish group's probably going to go try to hit A.
Harass A, yeah, more than likely. That's probably eighths because I think Mucho went with them.
Oh, they're gonna run into rebels. Are the rebels running on top of the corn? Is that just
Yes. No, that's Snake Rail, I bet.
me? Fuck, I wish we could tell them. They're gonna hit the side. Somebody's shooting up.
Or the
behind.
Revs
Give me
may
your
ignore
binocs. Give me
them.
your binocs. I can't see shit.
No, they hopped off this.
Still neat. Still say hi.
I see him moving still west. There they are, right by C.
There they are,
I see the
yep.
officer. Wait for it.
Alright, take your time
Wait.
shooting.
One at a time.
Wait for them to come over and try and hit the flag first.
Wait for them to stop.
Wait.
Now.
He's down.
2 of them are down.
Second one.
Oh, there's more in the corn, more in the corn.
There are 4 guys in the corn and 1 on, or 2 on this side with the
Yeah,
flagpole,
one's
3
getting the
in the
flag
corn.
down now.
Take the flagpole guy out now. Somebody call. Go, 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 go. Take it.
Nice.
Good. I'm holding my shot.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm holding my
Yes.
shot as well.
2 are jumping over. Wait for it. I'm
On
down.
it. They're on it. Someone. He's down. Alright, reloads.
Someone get their reload.
They are falling. Nope, they're trying to get.
I'm getting my load. I'm not gonna be able to shoot.
Oh shit, Union fighting. Hold fire.
We got friendlies.
Hold fire, aye. Hi, Hudson.
I know, we've been protecting
Well, we
it.
slowed them
need
down. We
somebody-
kept them from decapping. We've been sitting here just picking them off every time
Union's
they
on
try to
C.
touch that flag. Good old boys.
Oh, we need a flag.
Wow, that one.
Last stand.
Oh, did they actually hit
We're
the flag?
at last
Fuck.
They did.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Yeah, I thought
Oh, they're
the
gonna-
Chickens were closer than that, but
They're about to full on charge C then.
yeah, the team is pulling back to C.
Hey, we did alright. We did a hell of a game though.
We had some good moves.
Like, I don't think we've ever been this close.
Is that Confederate Southwest?
There's Confederates in the
Southwest.
corn. Union are
Southwest.
charging us, so we're hitting them.
Hang on, that might be friendly.
There are friendlies now.
Yep, the wave of blue.
Well, we did our best to hold C as long as we could.
Oh, now we got RD rolling up. Somebody get a flag
Was it
on that
third?
damn
Was third you shot already tonight or what?
No one ever chooses RD for this map.
You guys do.
I mean, third Yusha is on there, but
Do we have anybody trying to put a flag on that pole or no?
Bro, flagger, go put that
Oh,
flag
yes, they
on.
are.
Oh, there's a flag over there right now.
But the rebels are not going to attack.
I'm surprised because I figured they would try and go for the triple.
Well, I mean, they
There's
may
much
attack for trying to go for a triple, but the thing is that they'd wipe us out before they could get it, and there's no way we could get it the last time. And actually, there's their flag. There's a flag right at Sea Point West, just over the heads of the friendlies.
West.
And they're shooting south.
South,
Shoot fire
south.
south. They're on the stick though from south.
They're on.
My eyes are down.
On the seaport.
They're on the sea point.
Double cap.
They're decapping. They're decapping. Focus on sea point.
Hurry up, artillery. We can't afford to lose that flag. Keep shooting that bottom flag.
Keep. Yep. They're all charging in.
Oh, there's more.
We might as well dive. Then let them take it.
Northwest.
I'm going in.
I told you he's sus. He's running in, man. That
Oh,
guy's sus.
shush.
He's not Avdar.
More rebels moving west.
southeast.
Large group
yeah,
coming
southeast.
in south and northeast.
I got fucking goddamn killed by a friendly.
Take that flagger down. West. Come on.
Port on the sea point.
They're gonna try and get a triple cap if we don't get everybody to die.
You gotta be kidding.
We'll just try to die when
they just
you start
miss?
raising their flag. Yes.
Keep shooting that flagpole. We gotta keep that flag on.
We should try to kill as many as we can before we
Oh, already just hit the
Well, line
flag.
all die. Not yet.
Nah, we should charge the
Northwest.
guys on the frickin' right over here
Just
in
keep
the
shooting
north.
him down. Let's see if we can get him.
They're gonna start capping. They're putting a flag on there right now.
Oh,
Dude,
yeah,
Artie is
right there. Northwest.
Artie shooting short.
They're
Wow, all the
actively
charging.
capping.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, you all need to get your ass over
go,
there.
go.
I don't know what the fuck you're doing.
I don't know why y'all wasted so long to do this.
Okay, you're dead.
I just watched the third U-shaped officer just fucking shoot somebody in the back of the head. Good shot.